Hi there. Are you lost?
Hello. Yes. I don't know this street.
No problem. What are you looking for?
I want to go to the bus stop.
Ah, the bus stop is not far.
Thank you. I don't speak English well.
That's okay. You speak fine.
I try. I am learning.
Good job. Are you new here?
Yes. I came last week.
What's your name?
My name is Mira.
Nice to meet you, Mira. I'm Jake.
Nice to meet you too, Jake.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Cool. Do you like this city?
It is big. I like the park.
The park is nice. Do you have the friends here?
No, not yet.
Don't worry. You will make friends.
I hope so.
If you want, I can help you learn English.
Really? That would be good.
Yes, we can talk every day.
Thank you. I want to learn more.
You will. Just practice. Do you have WhatsApp?
Yes. I can give you my number.
Okay, I'll message you.
Thanks. You are kind.
Anytime. Let's walk to the bus stop now.
Yes. Let's go.
Hi, Mira. Ready to practice English today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Good. What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate bread and eggs.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I like tea.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Do you live alone?
No. I live with my aunt.
Is your house big or small?
It is small, but nice.
What do you do every day?
I clean, cook, and study English.
That's good. Do you watch TV?
Yes. I watch English movies.
Great. What's your favorite food?
I like rice and chicken.
Do you go to the market?
Yes. I go on Sundays.
What do you buy there?
I buy vegetables and fruits.
Do you have a phone?
Yes. I use it to learn English.
Smart. What English word do you like?
I like the word happy.
That's a nice word. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy now.
Good to hear. Let's practice more tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Keep learning. Good morning, Mira.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. A little tired. You?
I'm okay. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I went to bed late.
Why? What happened?
I was talking to my mom. She lives far away.
Oh, I see. I hope she is well.
Yes, she's fine. Just missing me.
That's sweet. Do you call her often?
Yes, almost every day.
That's nice. What are you doing today?
I need to go to the market.
Alone?
Yes. I don't know many people here.
I can come with you if you want.
Really? That would be great.
What do you need to buy?
Fruits, rice, milk, some small things.
Easy. What time will you go?
Around 11 a.m. Is that okay?
Sure. I'll meet you outside your building.
Thank you. You are very kind.
No problem. I like helping.
I feel happy now.
Me too. Let's have a good day.
Yes. See you at 11.
See you.
Hi. Thanks for coming.
Hi. I'm happy to help. Ready to go?
Yes. I brought a shopping list.
Good idea. What's first?
Let's find some apples.
Red or green?
Red apples. I like them sweet.
Here they are. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please. Let's take 6.
Got it. What's next?
I need some rice. Do you know where?
Yes, the rice is near the back. Come with me.
Thanks. There are many kinds.
Do you want white rice or brown?
White rice is fine. 1 small bag.
Okay. What else?
Milk. I drink tea every morning.
Me too. Cold milk is this way.
I'll take 1 bottle. Do you need anything?
No, I'm good.
Okay. I think we're done.
Do you want to check your list?
Good idea. Let me see. Apples, rice, milk. Yes, all done.
Great. Let's go to the counter.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I enjoyed it.
You made shopping easy and fun.
Maybe we can go again next week.
I'd like that. You're a good friend.
You are too. Let's carry the bags together.
Yes. Teamwork. We're home now. Let me open the door.
Okay. These bags are a little heavy.
Put them on the table. Thank you.
No problem. I'm happy to help.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, please. I love tea.
I'll boil some water. You can sit.
Sure. Your kitchen is nice. Very clean.
Thanks. I like to keep it simple.
What kind of tea do you have?
I have black tea, green tea, and ginger tea.
Black tea is good.
Okay. I'll make 2 cups. Sugar or honey?
Just a little sugar, please.
Done. Here you go.
Mmm, this smells nice.
Do you eat snacks with tea?
Sometimes. Do you have something?
Yes, I have biscuits.
Perfect. I like biscuits with the tea.
Let's sit and talk.
Yes, it's good to relax.
Do you miss your family?
A little, but I talk to them every day.
That's good. Talking helps.
Do you miss your home?
Yes. But I'm learning to live here.
You're doing great.
Thank you. You're a good friend.
So are you. I'm happy we met.
Me too. Let's have tea again tomorrow.
I'd like that. Same time?
Yes. I'll wait for you.
Good morning, Mira.
Good morning, Jake. You're early today.
Yes, I woke up at 6 a.m.
Wow. That's very early.
I wanted to read a little before class.
That's smart. I read last night.
Did you sleep well?
Not really. I had a small headache.
Oh no, do you feel better now?
Yes, after some water and rest.
Good. Don't skip breakfast.
I had toast and fruit. You?
Just coffee. I wasn't very hungry.
You should eat something in the morning.
I will tomorrow. Maybe eggs.
That's better. So, are you ready for class?
I think so. I studied chapter 5.
Great. I didn't understand one part.
Which part? I can help.
The grammar rule on page 42.
Oh yes, it's about past simple.
Yes. I get confused.
No problem. I'll explain after class.
Thank you. You're very kind.
It's easy for me, so I like to help.
You are a good teacher.
Maybe one day I will be.
I believe that. You explain well.
Thanks. Shall we go to class now?
Yes. Let's go together. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!